let's make a salad. I've got arugula here, some sectioned orange. So this is a great winter salad because
I love
it uses
winter
that
salads.
citrus,
Yeah.
fennel,
Pomegranate. I make this
Yeah.
all the time.
some walnut goes in.
Citrus,
Just kind of like
fennel,
what you have. I always
pomegranate
make big
seed.
salads. Yeah, pomegranate seeds. We've got some
Gorgeous.
red onion going in.
Gorgeous.
Now, a quick little trick for a pomegranate, just cut a circle around the top, a circle around the bottom, and then cut some slits in it, take it underwater and open it.
If you pull it apart underwater, you don't stain your hands in the counter.
And I always
Little
end
red
up
onion?
staining everything.
Yep.
All right, so let's make a little Dijon dressing.
Walnuts. I can throw the rest
throw
of these
'em
in here.
I've got a nice big spoonful of Dijon.
Want me to whisk?
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it with some of the orange juice that's left over from those segments.
Nice.
And then let's put some balsamic in there as well.
Balsamic and orange go so beautifully together, don't you think?
So I always like to do the Dijon and the balsamic first, and that's gonna help you get a more emulsified dressing because it gets nice and creamy. And then add in
olive oil.
the olive oil and just keep it going. So
Beautiful.
usually about 1 tablespoon of acid to 3 tablespoons of oil. And there you go. A nice, beautiful salad.